Deciding where to live is a big adventure, one of the most important choices you'll ever make. It's not just about a roof over your head, it's about where you'll start and end your days, make memories, and build your life. This decision shapes how you spend your money and your time. Think of your home as your base camp for life's journeys. Do you want a place that's easy to leave behind or one you can grow into over the years? That's the heart of renting versus buying. Your job, finances, dreams, and even your DIY skills all play a part in this puzzle. If you buy, you're planting roots, hoping to watch them grow. If you rent, you're free to move, exploring new places as you wish. Neither is better. They're just different ways to live. Understanding these differences is the first step to making the right choice for you. We'll break down the money, the freedom, the challenges, and the joys. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which path fits your life. There's no single right answer, just the one that's right for you. So let's dive in and explore this together. Get your thinking cap on. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What does it mean to rent or buy a home? Renting is like staying in a hotel long-term. You pay a landlord to live in their property, following their rules. You sign a lease, pay rent each month, and can usually move out when the lease ends. You're a guest, not the owner, and big changes are off limits. Buying, on the other hand, means you own the place. Most people get a mortgage, a loan from the bank, to help pay for it. You pay the bank back over many years, and the home is yours to decorate, renovate, or even knock down walls if you want. Renting gives you flexibility and fewer responsibilities. Buying gives you control and the chance to make a place truly your own. When you rent, you can move easily, but you're limited in what you can do. When you buy, you're investing in your future, but you're also taking on more risk and responsibility. Each payment on your mortgage brings you closer to full ownership. Renting is temporary, even if you stay for years. Buying is a long-term commitment. With renting, you're a visitor. With buying, you're the boss. Both have their perks and pitfalls. The key difference? Ownership and control. Think about what matters most to you. That's the foundation of your decision. Now let's talk money. Renting is usually straightforward. You pay rent each month, plus a security deposit, and maybe utilities or internet. If something breaks, the landlord pays to fix it. Your costs are predictable. Buying is more complicated and expensive. First, there's the down payment, often tens of thousands of dollars up front. Then you have a monthly mortgage payment, which can be similar to rent, but includes interest and principal. Homeowners also pay property taxes, insurance, and all repair costs. If the roof leaks or the furnace dies, it's your bill to pay. These surprise expenses mean you need savings for emergencies. Renting keeps your budget stable and simple. Buying means more financial risk, but also the chance to build wealth. With each mortgage payment, you own a little more of your home. Renting is like paying for a service. Buying is investing in an asset. Consider your savings, income, and comfort with risk. Can you handle big, unexpected bills? If not, renting might be safer for now. If you're ready for the responsibility, buying could pay off in the long run. The choice comes down to your financial situation and your goals. Let's look at the upsides of both options. Renting offers freedom. Move when you want, no strings attached. If your job changes or you crave a new city, just finish your lease and go. Repairs and maintenance? Not your problem. Call the landlord and relax. You can focus on living, not fixing things. Buying, though, means true ownership. Paint the walls, plant a garden, remodel the kitchen, it's all up to you. Your home becomes a reflection of your personality and dreams. Each mortgage payment builds equity, your share of the home's value. Over time, your house may increase in value, growing your wealth. It's like living in your own savings account. Renting is about flexibility. Buying is about building something lasting. Both have real rewards. Which perks matter most to you? Of course, there are downsides to both paths. Renters face uncertainty. Your landlord can raise the rent or sell the property, forcing you to move. You're not building wealth. Your rent payments don't come back to you. After years of renting, you have no asset to show for it. Homeowners, meanwhile, take on big financial risks. Miss a mortgage payment, and you could lose your home. Repairs, taxes, and insurance add up fast. Selling a house is slow and expensive, making it hard to move quickly. You're tied down, and your weekends might be spent on chores and repairs. Homeownership can feel like a second job. Renting can feel unstable. Owning can feel overwhelming. There's no perfect option, just trade-offs. Know what you're willing to handle. Weigh the risks against the rewards. That's how you find your best fit. Let's compare a typical Saturday for a renter and a homeowner. Arthur, the renter, wakes up, notices a leaky tap, and texts his landlord. Problem solved. He spends his day at the park and meets friends at a cafe, enjoying amenities like a pool and gym without extra cost. He's not attached to the apartment and can move easily if needed. His focus is on experiences, not property. Beatrice, the homeowner, wakes up in her self-painted bedroom, picks tomatoes from her garden and spends hours on yard work and repairs. She fixes a loose shingle herself, feeling both tired and proud. Later, she hosts a barbecue in her backyard, surrounded by friends and family. Her home is her project and her passion, a place to put down roots. Arthur values freedom and simplicity. Beatrice values stability and personal investment. Both enjoy their lives, but in very different ways. Renting means flexibility and fewer worries. Owning means commitment and pride. Your choice shapes your weekends and your future. Which lifestyle feels right for you? That's the real question. Choose what fits your story. So, how do you decide? Start with your finances. Do you have savings and a steady job? If not, renting is safer. Think about your future. Will you stay put, or might you move soon? If you want stability and plan to settle down, buying could be right. If you crave freedom, renting is your friend. Consider how much work you want to do. Homeownership means constant maintenance. Be honest about your time, energy, and interests. There's no rush. Renting lets you try out neighborhoods and save money. Both renting and buying are valid choices. The best decision fits your finances, career, and lifestyle. Take your time. It's your adventure. Choose the path that feels like home.